Oh no, they're at it! Citizens, we need your helping wheel. The creatures are taking over Hot Wheels City once again. But it's up to Hot Wheels cars to stop the creatures and save Hot Wheels City. So, let's assemble the teams. So, let's unleash some cars. The first team to settle out with the dragon are the Hot Wheels City Dwellers, with Geoterra, Time Taxi, and Twin Mill Gen E to defeat that red dragon at the top of the Ultimate Garage. So, let's get to driving. The second Hot Wheels team to settle out with that gorilla, we can use some Hot Wheels mods. First of all, we have Hightail Chaser, which looks like the king from Cars because of that huge rear wing. Next car we're going to show you is the Verstrike. Although I thought this will be a fantasy casting, but now I know that this is a heavily modified Chevrolet Corvair. And who would have forget about the last new model from Hot Wheels mods that you will see in this video is the PT Fast. That's right, it's a speedy, heavily modified version of the Chrysler PT Cruiser. So, let's settle with that gorilla with Hot Wheels mods. Let's go! The third team to settle out with the green dragon at the fire station, you need some burning wood to spice things up. We have 3 block models, the small block, the long block, the station wagon, and the newest model of 2026, the newest block in town, the chopping block. That's right, this is a hot rod shaped block car that you will see in this video today. So, let's defeat the dragon or be burnt into a charcoal. Let's go! And now let's assemble the 5th team to send that cobra away from this pizzeria. But we'll need some fast, rugged, and sweet types of vehicles. Starting out with our fan favorite, the El Segundo Coupe. A buggy that is ready to accept any challenge and climbing mountains. This is the Mountain Mauler. The third and the last car is a new model from 2026 Sweet Rides. This ice pop car will drip the competition with the Mad Drip. So let's drive and hiss the snake away. Mad Drip. Alright, Hot Wheels mods, it's time to take down this gorilla. So the first car to get in is the Hightail Chaser. Let's go, Hightail Chaser, let's go! And yes, Hightail Chaser survives. The next car to enter is the Verstrike. Alright, Verstrike, it's time to go Airstrike. Let's go! Oh, it is upside down, but it survived. And the last car to face the gorilla is the PT Fast. It's time to cruise through the gorilla's arms. And yes, PT Fast has done it. Looks like these Hot Wheels mods have outrun the gorilla. And now let's get out of here. Alright, these racers are going to take on against the Cobra. And looks like Mad Drip is going there first. Alright, it's time to go Mad Drip. Alright, here it goes. Down the snake spiral and... oh no! Mad Drip has become a snake snack. Oh, looks like a Cobra had a brain freeze after eating that Mad Drip. Alright, now here comes the Mountain Mauler. Alright, Mountain Mauler, good luck. And Mounters... oh. Looks like he got stuck. Not today, Cobra Breath. And here all goes to El Segundo Coupe. Alright, here it goes. And the El Segundo Coupe has defeated the Cobra. Nothing beats El Segundo Coupe when he has friends. Alright, looks like these workhorses on wheels are taking on the T-Rex at the police station. Why don't we start off with the limited grip? Alright, here it goes. Oh no, limited grip has fallen. And now trapped in T-Rex's cage. So how about we go with the holler-back? A pot-on silverback truck against the T-Rex? Challenge accepted. Oh, holler-back is trapped! Along with the limited grip. T-Rex feels powerful now, but now it's up to the Tooligan as the last car will defeat the T-Rex. Alright, Tooligan girl, show the world what you're made of. Oh, and T-Rex is defeated! Along with the Alpha Pursuit. Looks like the T-Rex won't mess with that clever Tooligan as she releases 2 cars from the prison. Burning wood, alright, because firefighters need their help to defeat this green dragon. Are you ready? Let's go with the small block. Roar. Oh, 5 alarm has fallen, and small block gets gobbled up and ready to go. Good. Oh, it missed. Why don't we go again with the long block? Alright, long block is ready to go. Nice. Oh, looks like he missed. Well, looks like it's up to Chop and Block to save the day. And yes! Chop and Block saves the day! Looks like these Block brothers have saved the fire station, and 5 alarm is thanking them for it. And now the city dwellers are going to take down the red dragon. But the scorpion wouldn't let him in. If you want to take down this red dragon, you'll have to face the scorpion's wrath first. Well, since I'm so sharp and aerodynamic, I could easily go in. Looks like Twin Wheel Gen E accepts the challenge. You win. I'll let you pass through. Alright then, so let's pass through. Oh, where's the elevator? Ah, there we go. Alright then, now let's face the final boss of Hot Wheels City. Okay, so we have 3 attempts, 3 cars to defeat the dragon. If we can't win, well, it is over for us. Okay, so we've got 3 attempts. Let's start off with the Twin Mill Gen E. Ready, get set, launch! Oh, terrible launch. Well, let's start off with Geoterra. Let's see if we can make it. Go! Oh, another launch fail. Well, and now it's up to Time a Taxi, the last car to defeat the dragon. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, and launch! Yes! We did it! Time and taxi! Time and taxi, are you okay? Say something. You know, guys, this was a one wild ride, is it? I'm glad that you're okay, Time and taxi. We've been worried about you. Hey, it was nothing. Say, wanna celebrate victory at the beach? Sure. Alright, then let's go. Nothing is more relaxing than just having fun and resting on the beach. And yes, it is fun to play with water when you're... Whoa! Hey, what's wrong? That tentacle got me. Help! Uh-oh, the octopus is at it again. And there is a shark too. Don't worry, I'll help him. All right, Hollerback, we believe in you. Send me in. Thank you, Hollerback. Anytime. And be careful in the sea next time. Okay, will do. Also, I can use the octopus as a roller coaster. Let me do it then. Yeah! How about if we outrun this shark? I'll get you next time. Well, now the Hot Wheels City is now safe once again. Creatures are now defeated, and it's all thanks to Hot Wheels cars that are now relaxing at the beach. Hope you enjoy your nice summer, because we're going to end the video here. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you in another awesome video. Bye bye!